Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, guys, and today I'm going to be upgrading my Tiny Whoop motors. I'm going to be upgrading them to the Ultra Sauce Tiny Whoop motors, and these can be found on tinywhoop.com. Now, tinywhoop.com did not send these to me to do a review on. Actually, one of the pilots and employees, Adrian, we were at the race a couple weeks ago, and he gave me these to do some testing to see if I like them with my Beta FPV board. So if I like them, I'll definitely be getting another set for the other drone for this one. But definitely the little motors on this one have just about burnt themselves out, so that's why I am replacing the motors and doing a little bit of an upgrade at the same time. So there's not really much to watch here. Basically, what we're going to do is basically I'm going to go ahead and just undo the top, unplug the motors, plug the new motors back in, and then go ahead and test it out. But I will show you guys the FPV footage as soon as I'm done, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so you can see I've taken off the two red and blue motors right here and here. The red ones are still in there, the black and white ones, so I've got to take those off. So whenever I do an upgrade or a change to the motors or something like that, I always take off one set and then I always do the other set. That way I know exactly which ones go in which places. So it's fairly easy upgrade, not too bad at all. So you basically just slide them out, slide them back in, and then you put the flight controller back on. But you can see there's the frame and there's the motors. Also, it's just me, but I like to kind of spin my wires. You can kind of see I kind of like to make them nice and tidy, that way they're not loose and going everywhere. So that's just another personal preference. You don't have to do that. But anyway, yeah, so that's as far as I'm at. So I'll finish up putting the other two motors in, and then we'll button it back up. There we go. I've gotten all of the new motors installed. So basically all I've got to do now is just put my flight controller, plug these into the flight controller, and put everything back, and then that's it. So fairly easy. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together, and then I'll show you guys the end product, and we'll go fly these motors around and we'll see how they do on the Tiny Whoop. Okay, so I've gotten the flight controller and the all-in-one camera put back on. So basically all I have to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and plug my motors back in. There we go. There, the motors are all completely back in place. Now what I do to kind of secure everything is I use, you can use those little dental rubber bands, but my stepdaughter used to make those bracelets out of these rubber band things, and so I've got just a ton of those, and I just put it right across the bottom there, and it does two things. It holds the motor wires in place, but then also when you slip the battery under, sometimes the batteries are a little bit loose, so when you put it in there, it adds just a little bit extra tension for the battery, so that way it doesn't come loose when you're flying, because typically if you don't have anything in there, then it'll just kind of, sometimes they'll fly out, especially with these cockroach flames. They're not, you know, they don't hold the batteries in just perfectly. So but yeah, so there it is. I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on, or the canopy back on, and then we'll go ahead and fly this around the house and see how it does. Okay, so here it is. There is the complete update and the upgrade to the Ultra Sauce motor. So the Ultra Sauce motors, these are the 6mm by 15mm, and they are 19.701 kV motors, 3.7 volts, of course. So yeah, these are freaking awesome, and I can't wait to get them up in the air and fly it around. So I hope you enjoy the flight, and we'll test these out. Alright guys, if you like that short flight around the house, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me guys. I would really much appreciate that. If you like my channel, if you like my tips and tricks, upgrades, things like that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos. And if you want, you can hit the bell. The bell just lets you know when I've got new videos on the way. Typically have one every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then sometimes I will throw one in between there while you guys are waiting for the next video. But yeah, I really like these Ultra Sauce motors. These things are so zippy. They've got tons of power. And the battery is a little warm, but you know what? I like it a lot. These things are just packed full of all kinds of performance. So I'm really happy about these little motors. So yeah, so thank you to Adrian over at Tiny Whoop for letting me test these out. I'm going to continue to do some more testing just to see how they function and everything like that. But thank you again to him, and so very much appreciate that. So definitely I'll be getting another set of these for the other Whoop, and I'll be doing an upgrade on that one as well. And definitely I think I'll be sticking with these for a while and be using these little motors. So these are really great. And again, you can get these at tinywhoop.com. So go ahead and check those out and get you some if you're building a Whoop. Definitely highly recommend them. They're local here in Colorado, up in Loveland. So, but you know, they ship just about everywhere in the United States, and they're really fast and awesome guys up there. So thank you so much again, guys, for all the comments, all the questions. I appreciate it, guys. All the viewers and subscribers, and just keep coming back. I really much appreciate it. And while you're waiting for the next video, let's make sure to keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out, and have an awesome day.